So okay, here's a little video I want to make. It's all also for the bucket course introducing to guitar, and some of my student fellows asked something about, he said, notes that beamed together, and I believe and I hope that these are the notes which was put together with this little flag, which is nothing else than the word of that note. You know, we spoke about in the course about whole notes, half notes, quarter notes, eighth and 16th. And of course, when you got half notes or quarter notes, you've got this little neck on the note, and when you got 80s, 60s and much smaller notes, you got the neck and also this little flag. And when you write down more notes like this, the flags will put together so that they should be like a package. For example, for 8 notes, you've got 8 notes in one bar when you play 4/4, and so these notes put together as one, that you have 4 in one package and another 4 in one package, so you have together 8 notes. And the question was how they are played. Well, when I played like this and I've got a metronome, of course, but on the quarter I have to play 4 notes. This means on a 4/4 I've got to play at every beat 1 note. When I play eighth, of course, in the same time I've had to play 8 notes. And 16th, sorry, there was to play 60 notes in the same time in one bar. And therefore I want to show like how this sounds. Therefore I have a metronome, well, a very old-fashioned metronome. I've got to turn it up. And at first I play at 60 beats per minute, I believe. You hear this, and this is my beat. Got some sound here. And on quarter notes, now I have to play on every clock you hear. I hope you hear it. I have to play, so that I play now, tack, tack, tack. Now I play a chromatic scale, which I began in the 5th position. This, like this. These are the quarter notes. 1, 2, 3, 4. On every beat. But the question was also when there are different notes. So I think it's more better when I try a major scale. So I play up a major scale, and I played now 60 beats, quarter notes. And up. Okay, these are quarter notes. Now we come to the notes that they're called more like beamed together in a package. This was the 8th. Therefore I had to play 8 notes at the same time. So in a bar, this will, when you count it, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, which means to play. Okay, these are 18. Now we come to 16. This means I have to play 60 notes at the same time in one bar on this beat. This will be a little bit difficult for me to count in English, because I'm not a native speaker. So I do this in German. This is eine, unte, zwei, unte, drei, unte, which means when I play only the rhythm, 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. 4 notes and one between one beat, and therefore 4 beats, 4 by 4, 60 notes. So when I play this, once again, whoa, a little bit struggling. And this was only on 63, and therefore it will be much difficult if you hire. The colleague told me he wanted to play it on 95, so I look if they got this here. I think this will be 95. Therefore I will get another sound, a little bit more distortioned. Okay, this is now 95. This means when you play quarter notes on every beat, so just play. Then 8 notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and. And now the 16th, I think they will be also struggling for me. This means from the rhythm here. It's pretty much fast. I try to do it. Okay, and I hope this was quite understandable what it means when notes are being together. You have to play the notes, all they were written down there. Of course there are notes when that are not played, but when I played in eighth or 16th or in quarters, there will be played all notes in the tempo who's given up, and also when they're beamed you have to play every single note, so that I hope that was your answer of the question. If not, feel free to ask again. I think we could solve the problem. So see you next time.